When you take the cross product of two vectors, you end up with a third vector, in this case c, that has both a magnitude and a direction. Now, in the previous video, we covered how to get the magnitude and why it relates to the area of a parallelogram. And in this video, we're going to cover how to obtain the direction. And we're going to do so using the right-hand rule. And it's so easy that it should take us less than 2 minutes to cover. So let's get started. So if this is a coordinate system, let's say we have two vectors here. This is vector A, and this is vector B. And just for simplicity's sake, these vectors are going to lie on the flat xz plane. So when you do the right-hand rule, what you want to do is grab your right hand. We don't actually need to grab it. Your fingers are going to point alongside A. So let's say we're doing A cross B. Your fingers start in the direction of this first vector. So they're pointing along A. And what you want to do is curl all four fingers in the direction of the second vector, in this case, B. So your fingers start at A and they're being curled towards B into a closed fist. So now the direction that your thumb is pointing in, which should be upwards into the sky, into the roof, into the ceiling, that's the direction of your resulting vector. So in this case, there are two vectors, A and B, on a plane, and our third vector, C, just points upward in the y direction. Now, if we were to do the inverse, and let's say we do B cross A, remember, this is B, and this is A. Our fingers start alongside B, and they curl towards A. Now, in this case, our third vector, C, is going to point downwards because our thumb is pointing downwards. Your thumb should be pointing downwards. So now that you know how to find the direction for your resulting vector, you should go ahead and watch the previous video on how to find the magnitude.